Is that a blue sky? Is that a light and any streak coming across my face? I don't think so. I think I did this talk before. AI intelligence could change this sky to any other color, but the problem is the tree branches makes it a little harder. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. Oh yeah, it's showtime. It's showtime. It's showtime. Maybe I gotta do another short. Figure it out. Say something a little different. I did my outro. The show's over. I did it pretty good. I saved it this time. I have a request. And the request is the format of the DJI Osmo Action 4. Slide down, hit the cog, scroll up, right after the date and just before the factory. Make it a different color, please. Yeah, in Power Director 2024, we say, hey, you know, the audible, when you split the video, it doesn't move. Everything stays the same, and you have a little trouble trying to figure it out where your actual audio is, where it's supposed to be, but it is where it's at, but the lines don't match up. So you kind of got to ignore the audio line or just reset it every single time in the video clip. Now, the color, orange, it's got a little highlight. Nobody wants to see all orange. It's a little difficult to know when you have the clip, and then when you drag in the second clip, it doesn't magnet to the last clip. It leaves a little space when you're trying to move it. So every time you do, you got a little crossfade. It's just a world of complaining. Maybe that's the way I should name the channel. Not at all. I say it out loud from inside, telling you what I see. And nobody else complains about this. Maybe I'm on the wrong channel. I didn't know it takes that long to get things back. Oh yeah, I'm waiting, man. And I'm gonna wait a little longer. I made a couple of orders. Yeah, not a good time to do it anyway. And that's for the RC stuff. Just sitting on the side, not getting out there. Well, maybe there'll be a one dry day. There's always another wet one coming. Well, you heard me talk about a program called Movavi, and I've been discussing it with Movavi Business. And now they tell me this Movavi Video Plus, and that's the difference between the suite and the video editor. Boy, they just threw a curveball right at me. But they didn't answer the question why everything's all differently in prices and which is the correct one to get. I'm still looking at it, and I got an alternative to it, and I just gotta wait, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. And if I do get it, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna start to use that for my reviews side of things. It's a little easier to use in ways, and should do a nice job. I have a couple of things I like in the program. Everything's always something that you like in a camera that doesn't have it in one camera. And the same thing goes in software and everything in life. You can't have it all, but at least you can try with one or two softwares, not them all. Like that song, I don't like Mondays. Man, let me tell you, Monday's a slow day. And I got a lot of things to do and catch up. And I gotta get things done and get them over with. So on that note, I know who you are. You know who I am. And I'll see you on the next video. Because I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. Have a great day, and I'll catch you later.